Friends, today we will solve Geeks for Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is greatest of three numbers. So now open this question. Greatest of three numbers. So given three numbers A, B and C, find the greatest among them. So now see first example. A equals to 10, B equals to 3, C equals to 2. So the output is 10, which is greatest. 10 is the greatest among 3. Now see second example. A equals to -4, B equals to -3, C equals to -2. So the greatest number is -2. So output is -2. So now we will write the code for this problem. Here we use conditional statement. So if A greater than B and A greater than C, then we will return A. Because here A is greatest number. Else if B is greater than C, then we will return B is greatest number. Else we will return C is greatest number among three numbers. So return C. So now compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases to submit this code. All the test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.